Hello and welcome to another video about SUI. In yesterday's video I covered the overall chart, bigger picture. We talked about possible upside targets, medium term. In this video I just want to take a look at the shorter time frame, but if you're interested, check that video out from yesterday. And here on this chart at the moment, the 1 hour time frame, the price is still holding above this trend line I shared with you yesterday. But I have to say, I mean, it's starting to crack. The price is trying to break below it. We used that trend line yesterday as a first, let's say trend filter to tell us when this immediate uptrend could be coming to an end. But I wouldn't call it a sustained break below the trend line yet. It definitely should be watched. I mean, again, question is how exactly do we draw it? There's always a little bit of flexibility there, but it looks as if, the price is trying to break below it right now. And important is to understand what is the wave 4 support area. This is the current risk area. It's currently located between 264 and 326, whereas I'd say if this is really the wave 4, I'd like it to get to around 291 at least, possibly 265, but just touching the 23.6 fib level, while it can offer support, would be a bit too weak for a wave 4 of that wave degree. I'm watching for these wave 4 potentials across the sector. Bitcoin is due a wave 4, SUI is due a wave 4, other coins are due a wave 4. And overall, that next move up could send us to the next fib levels, like 424, for example. I mean, I can't even confirm the wave 4 has started, right? We can see wild extensions to the upside in this third wave. You can identify, possibly 5 waves up here already, but it would look best with one more high. So we could say that maybe this internal 5th wave that started on the 12th of November, it might get one more high, but this again takes us into this kind of micro counting, let's say, it just takes into micro counting. So 1, 2, then we could also say maybe this is the third wave, 4, 5. So I cannot rule out that this internal third is still unfolding. All I can say is the Fibonacci levels give us the risk area. This is the next Fibonacci support. If the price dips into that area, I think there is a good chance that the buyers turn up. At least I'm going to watch for the buyers to turn up in this area. If we break below it, it's going to be the lower support area that's relevant. This is key support really to maintain an overall bullish outlook. This is located at the moment between $1.71 and $2.09. And at the moment, I think, especially as long as we're just ranging sideways, there's a very local sideways range here at the moment that we can sort of just define here roughly with this support line there. So it's just a very local sideways range. As long as we're holding this as well, you could just sort of move sideways. Not even saying the trend line is super reliable, and it's just a trend filter, but as long as we're moving just sideways, it could also just sort of move sideways a bit, then extend once more. Good news is, this still looks all corrective. So we have overlapping price action. Pullbacks are either in 3 waves or just sideways consolidations, which keep the overall uptrend for now intact. Next resistance around 424, and I don't think there is much more to talk about. I'll keep you updated if there is any interesting development. I will send an update through for our gold members, and tomorrow there'll be the next SUI video. That's the update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.